Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you segment and tag your subscribers in Flodesk? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to segment your audience in Flodesk anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that if you can segment and tag your audience, you can send them hyper-specific offers that's going to get you a higher conversion rate. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to tag and segment your audience, here on the top, you're going to click on audience. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your subscribers that you have in Flodesk. You can see I just have this one. Now, if you want to tag or segment your audience, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can do it in bulk. If you just hover over your list, you're going to see these boxes pop up. So you can go ahead and choose which subscribers or contacts you want to add into a specific segment. Once you've clicked into the box, you're going to click on add to segment. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and choose a segment that you have, or you can go ahead and just start typing and create a new segment. So you can see I have Mexican food and Chinese food. So if I'm sending out emails to my audience, and I know one audience is really interested in Mexican food and another one is really interested in Chinese food, well, I can go ahead and send Chinese food recipes to my Mexican food audience. Some of them are going to read it, but it's not hyper specific to them. So that's the beauty about tagging and segmenting your audience. So for example, this person right here, maybe they don't like Mexican food or Chinese food, and I want to go ahead and add them into a new tag or segment called Italian food. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create Italian. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click on add. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see off to the right, that person has a segment for Chinese food and Italian food. So anytime I send an email through my Flodesk for Chinese food, they're going to be included, but also Italian food. Now, if you just want to segment one particular subscriber, you can just click on their name. All right, once you click on their name up here towards the top, you're going to click on segments and data. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see exactly which segments they're in. You can see they're in Chinese food and Italian food, and off to the left, you can click right here and add to segment. And once again, you're going to see this pop up that we were working on earlier. You can just click in here and then add them to a new tag or a new segment. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to tag and segment your audience in Flodesk, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.